Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Cook with Franca or Cook by Franca, I don't know, whichever one suits you, blah 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 blah. We are going to be making tiger nut drink. Now, why would you want to learn how to make tiger nut drink? Why would you even want to drink it? So with my few research on the internet, asking around and the rest of it well, I got to find out that why you need to take this drink is if you wanted to boost your immune system, is good for that. If you're a breastfeeding mother and you know your breast is not really pumping out milk like it should, and you take it, it's going to help you with the breast milk, the production and the rest. I don't know how it goes on, please, but that's what they said though. And also, if you're a man and your this thing is not it's not active, and you take this drink one day, it can be very very active. So another reason is I know I just heard this one from like few persons that have tried it, experimented on it on their kid. Oh god, I'm too fast. I need to take a pause. Okay, another studies have actually shown a real life study of like about 3 or 4 women that actually experimented on their kids. They said if your child is an olodo and the child is not really being active in school, the IQ is not really functional, the oblongata, medulla oblongata, you guys know all this shit. But anyways, if your child is not really performing very well in school and you give your child this drink like at a tender age, it actually helps to boost the kids' IQ and the whole activities that goes on. So either ways, I'm going to be making this drink today. And I mean I have an assistant, she's my sister. Her name is Chidima. Chidima, please can you call?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
All Chidimas will always disappoint you, but she's camera shy. But during the course of this video, you're going to see her. She's really pretty and I'm learning from her. So we are all learning together. Then so she's going to be helping me. I'm going to be helping her out. I don't know. We are helping each other out to make this drink. So I'm going to show you guys the major ingredients we need while making this drink. So let's go. So these are our first ingredient. It's actually a tiger nut. So I had to soak it overnight. So it's going to like come up and have the little juice. So what you guys see all these outside guys sell as fresh tiger nut is actually not fresh. They actually soak it then sell to you guys. So this is actually how it looks like from the top. Allowed it to ferment and the rest just overnight, guys. Then you wash it. I'm here to wash this. So when I wash it, it's going to be all clean. Then the next ingredient is actually ginger. This is your fresh ginger. This is your dates, and this is your coconut. So these are actually all the ingredients you'll be needing in the production of this tiger nut drink. What the? Your face on show. So guys, if you want to know how to prep your dates for this process, you pick up one of your dates, go in with your knife to divide it into 2 equal halves. And why we are dividing it into 2 equal halves is because we want to remove the seed that is inside. Then we open it up, remove the seed, place the seed somewhere else, and take the 2 equal halves and put in a separate bowl. So this is what you do until you're done. So when you're done prepping your dates, you wash it thoroughly, put it in a sieve and mix it with the already washed tiger nut that you left overnight. Then you add in your peeled ginger into this mixture and also your diced coconut. Dice it so it can be able to blend smoothly. So this is what we have, guys. Look at it. It's looking so neat. Everything is well prepped, and that is how, or that is what you should have at the end of the day. So now let's go and blend this our mixture so we can start making our tiger nut drink. We want to go and so this is my assistant going with it. She's carrying it.
Madam, stay away from me. Come down. I'm hot. Come down. I dey hot. Tell me
What you shy, guy? Yeah, don't finally video you good. Oh guys, so this is where we are blending this stuff. So as you can see, the engine is not that clean, and this is where I am, like way across the gutter. This is not healthy. Don't try this at home, guys, just because I don't really have an effective blender. So that's why I'm making use of this location. But it's going to wipe a bit, clean the engine with like water, so when he like gets back, I might show the process or I might not. So until then, peace out. Oh, he's back. I'll bring it for you. So yes, I told him to wash the engine and he's about to wash it. It's going to make a lot of noise, so brace up. Guy, are you sure you wash this thing well? Okay, if you start the engine. Video now, you have to do the whole process. Are you ashamed of me? You be ashamed of me, I go get. How can this assistant be ashamed of me? Can you imagine?
Bombastic side eye.
So guys, we are back. Opa! Jesus! I'm suffering, no.
Prince.
I'm suffering.
Igbo princess. Eho Ada. No be small thing.
So we are done blending it, guys. This is how it looks when you're done. This is the quantity, and this is how I'm mixing. So you have to like use cold water, like before you blend it and after you blend it. So this is what you're going to do. Be careful, it's about to pour at the end. This is how you keep doing it, guys, until like you get the final product. I can't show you guys the under now because like it's tied under, so maybe later.
Remember the days we were young.
So guys, this is how it looks. Yummy. It's so sweet. I
We
think
used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.
so guys, trust Nigeria to happen to you. There's no light, so we take from here. We actually take from the blended one, and then we squeeze it like this, like the way you're seeing us squeeze. Actually, we have squeezed it before, so this is like the second time we are squeezing this. Then you keep the chaff here, and then the drinks are over there. So maybe I guess when we are done mixing it and about to put it, you guys will see the process.
Queensborough.